Everyone, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2017 Audi A6 Premium Plus Quattro, 86,000 miles on it for sale. Really nice car, just serviced. Pirelli's on it all the way around, leather, nav, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 2.0 4-cylinder turbo engine. Body's in really good shape, just right here on the rear bumper cover. A little bit of a touch-up. Just serviced it. Drives really good. It's an S-Line edition. And front bumper cover here has a little scratch on it there. But besides that, this thing is in really good shape. Check out the inside. Black leather, clean sunroof. Go ahead and start her up. It's 86,428 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you can check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Or come stop by and check us out at 1309 Bienville Boulevard in Ocean Springs. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any needs for Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche repairs, service repairs, we're a full service shop as well. Thanks for checking out our video.